Find the middle term of the AP 213, 205, 197 dash 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 37. Here A value is given 213. We have to find the common difference. A2 minus A1 205 minus 213, we get D value minus 8. They given last term L is equal to 37. Let us use the formula L is equal to A plus N minus 1D. In place of L, you have to substitute the value of 37. A value 213 plus you have to find the value of N as it is, D minus 8. When shift to the 213 to left hand side, it becomes minus 213. Minus 8 your right hand is N minus 1 your right hand is. N minus 1 is equal to, when you subtract 213 minus 37, we get minus 176. Shift minus 8 to the denominator, minus minus cancel. 8 to the 16 carry 1, 8 to the 16, we get N minus 1 is equal to 22. Minus 1 shift to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. 22 plus 1, we get 23. The middle term will be formula N plus 1 by 2. 23 plus 1 by 2, we get 12th. We have to find the 8/12th value. 8/12th value is equal to A plus N minus 1D. A plus N minus 1D. In place of A, substitute the value of 213. N, we get 12 minus 1. D value, you know that, minus 8. 213 as it is, 11. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 times 8 is minus 88. When you subtract 213 minus 88, we get 125. Therefore, the middle term will be 125. That's our answer. Thank you for watching.